to get kicked out the plane because can't just get out.
Darn, what's...
I hurt so bad. Let's jump off the hill.
Or who did it.
Okay. Oh, there was a hill right down there. Let's go down there. Oh, let's just jump off the hill. Let's do it. Left. Oh, I think I was just coming back here, or just kicked off the airplane. Huh, I don't even remember. Whatever, let's go home. Well, at least there was a hill. Let's go. I hate this plane. I can't go because I was out. Okay, we're on the hill. What do we do next? I don't know. Well, let's go somewhere. Okay. When they got home late too. Okay, we're flying home, but Cat's right. Wait, Cat has Marshall. Wait, she can't hear us on the other wheel. Weird. She has Marshall. I hear Marshall. Weird. Well, I guess we're home.